Hello guys, this is epsypt and today I am showing you a new product for your car. What I mean is you can buy a dash cam like this and it can be a really cheap solution. What I mean is this camera has full HD power supply that you connect to your car if you are losing battery. You have the stamps to put on the dash mirror and then you just use like this and you unplug your camera and it's ready to record. And what else you have? You have, for example, if you want to insert, you have to insert a micro SD card that you connect like this. I've already put it here. As you can see, it's really simple. You just put it like this and it's on. This product is great for what? If you are entering the car, you just have to turn on. It will immediately start recording and you can control it for mobile phone too. But there's a catch in this one. The only problem that you're gonna see here is that all the app is in Chinese. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna connect. I mean, it's easy to interact. It appears some Chinese here, but as you can see, the manuals are all touch. It's really simple to format the card to get information. For example, here I know that I'm seeing information about my memory card, but it's a really fast solution. As you see, I've just turn on the camera and it's already record video. So it starts record automatically, which is really nice. The other thing that comes with this product is you've got the lighter power supply and you've got a really huge, I'm gonna show you. This sent you a really huge cable, as you can see. I mean, this says 2.5 meters to connect your camera. What you can do is, for example, you put this on your lighter, you connect it to your camera like this by USB and you will always have battery to record. If, for example, you want to apply this to your car, since the cable is so long, you can do it by mounting the cable either in your car and connect it to your lighter, or you can use it, for example, an electrician knows how to connect this directly to your car and nobody will see it, just will see a cable connecting to the cam. I was trying to catch a sunny day, but here in Portugal it's always raining. I don't know what's happening with the weather. So anyhow, this is a really great product. If you have an accident, you can, for example, use it for an insurance purpose, which is really nice because sometimes we don't have any fault of the accident that is happening. If you have, for example, one of these dash cams, you can always record because it has 160 degrees of fog, which is really nice to catch everything around your car. And it's always a really great tool. Enough talking, let's get out and let's check it out, how the product works in the street. Let's go. Okay guys, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put the dash cam into the window shield, and what I'm gonna maintain is connected to my lighter's charger. Why? Because there's not too much battery in the camera, so I am afraid of losing some image. So what I'm gonna do is maintain all the camera always charged in my lighter. So as you can see, I just have to connect the USB to the lighter and start the trip. Let's go.
So are you happy now? Things just got so crazy from a simple maybe. It was a long way down. I just feel so heavy without you. Everything we were was just so pretty, pretty enough to almost make me blind. Still denying everything you told me. I'll repeat it in my mind. All our memories goes on and on, flashing up like disco lights on and on. The dance floor where I met you, I dance all alone. Nothing left to prove, yeah, I'm dancing till my feet can feel the ground. Wishing I still dance with
you. So guys, I've already seen the image and I must say that I'm really surprised with the quality of the image. I just didn't like one of the things that was the logo in the side corner, on the top side of the corner, on the top left corner of the image. It appears always Xiaomi, their logo. I don't know why. I don't know if we can remove this. Okay, the other thing that I have against this camera is of not having even English language for it, which is really a shame. I mean, it's really easy to use it. You navigate on the camera super easy. Basically, you just have to insert the card and start recording. It's super easy. I mean, for the price, it's really cheap, I know, but the quality is awesome. As you see in the car, the low light performance is outstanding. I must say that to have this quality image, we have to go for higher brands and higher expensive gear, and in this case you only pay, I mean, $80 for it, and you have an outstanding image. Well, just to let you know, I hope you enjoyed the video. Just leave in the comments what you think about this camera, what you think about the image quality. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and as always, bye bye and see you soon!